Hi everyone, we are Team 1918. We'll be demonstrating how we tackle the questions 3, 4, and 5 today. Question 3, Part A. Overall supply chain solution for having two DCs. If we consider the 5 key elements in supply chain management for this scenario, the plan is to have two DCs at Jayala and Dahibala while taking necessary actions to optimize them. With the proposed solution, now prevailing decrease of electronics demand can be minimized. Current excess capacity should also be utilized more efficiently. The sources are manufacturing plants and the imports. Manufacturing of sofas, mattresses, and plastic items are done at Midigama, Negombo, and Biyagama respectively. Imported products are brought in through the Colombo port. Imports are then sent to both Dehiwala and Jayala DCs. Manufactured products are sent to Jayala DC and then distributed to Dehiwala DC to cater the distribution in the Colombo area. Dehiwala DC distribute to the 4 showrooms in Colombo district. Jayala DC operates to distribute products to 5 showrooms located at outer locations and to other regional agents. We can use the most cost-efficient route we suggested in the question number 1 to distribute products to showrooms. According to given weekly demand, the remaining 2 DCs are more than capable of handling the weekly demand. Hence, no return system is mentioned. The products are not expiring items too. If a return system is needed, the same cost-effective route we suggested in the question number 1 can be used backwards. Question 3, Part B. Rationalize the best operating model out of 1 DC and 2 DC. Using center of gravity method, optimum location to have only 1 DC was found to be Dambora in Paduka Divisional Secretariat. Latitudes and longitudes were taken as XY data. Distances from all mentioned locations, including port and the 3 manufacturing plants, Dambora and Jayala or Dehiwala, were written down for the latter part of the questions. Following assumptions were made during finding solutions. The largest vehicles were taken as much as possible, and for the remainder, a suitable vehicle was chosen. Here, the cost for Colombo to Dambora and Dehiwala are calculated as an example. Likewise, cost for all given locations are calculated. According to calculations, using 2 DCs is more profitable than using 1 DC. But we need to consider other factors. Over to you, Osandar.
Thank you, Akila. So, as for the part C, to optimize the overall supply chain and logistic cost, they need to optimize their cost drivers. So, the first one is right investment at right time in right areas. To make strategic and cost-effective investment decisions, the organization must have an end-to-end view of their supply chain so that they can consider how an investment may affect each step of the supply chain. Minimizing transportation costs. For that, company must use a proper design for their supply chain. From that, they can understand capacity to utilize the space and adjust the load size accordingly while using the most cost-efficient routes and more. As for the third one, to optimize production costs, the company must improve productivity. To do this, they must make optimized strategic, tactical, and operational plans to manage team member productivity and use of costly machines, which can be achieved by artificial intelligence. Then, stockpiling inventory can be a significant waste of space and money. It is good to reduce excess and use forecasting to maintain a reasonable amount. Lastly, choosing the right supplier to minimize procurement costs. For that, company should be able to use historical and real-time data to evaluate and compare different suppliers, pricing, and services. So moving on to question 4. As for the part A, these are our recommendations for moving towards e-commerce platform. Homeware Private Limited can maintain a profile-based e-commerce platform, so they can add discounts and rewards for the activities done with the e-commerce platform. This can be added advantage for marketing with a referral system that users can invite other people and get rewards. Also, we can add chatbots with guides and manuals so the customers can have a live experience like so. Lastly, we can add feature comparison tools for similar electronic devices and other home products. From that, customer will feel they are making a better decision. So from now on, Manjita will continue the presentation. Thank you.
Let us move on to the B part of the question 4. Let's see how service from Advantage 3BPL Plus, a third-party logistics service provider, can be beneficial when setting up e-commerce platform. Basically, when the e-commerce platform, the significant use of the showroom will be reduced to the exist of e-commerce platform. So there is a key potential on courier service to let the product to the customer's hand. Already, Advantage is doing a key role in the supply chain management, and this will be a terrific opportunity to be a courier service supplier to the Homeware Private Limited. Not like a normal scenario. On the supply chain management must be optimized, unless the customer trust on the company will lose. With that, we can add some tracking the product to the e-commerce platform to improve the customer experience with the e-commerce platform. These can be value-added services on the side of the Advantage. If the e-commerce platform exists, there is a great platform to Advantage to market themselves beyond their service and their functionality. Moving on the next part, let's see what are the barriers the client Homeware Private Limited Advantage 3B Plus must face when setting up a new e-commerce platform for Homeware Private Limited. The main obstacle is the market of the e-commerce platform, because there is already existing e-commerce platform and there are well functioning with the high market reach. With the e-commerce platform, customer segmentation will vary than the previous. Consider the marketing should be done in an attractive way. Here, the customer trust will be depend on the quality of the service too, and the quality will mostly depend on the delivery of the product in the e-commerce platform. So the optimization of the supply chain management is must, because the customer orders not be depend on the showroom inventory and the distribution inventory. Moving on to the question 5, let's consider the current weekly demand. What are the suggestions for the production plans? As the following figures show, only the matrix production is higher than its sales demand. As the demand is increased than the production, one suggestion is to send the production of Diagama to Jayala to reduce the rush and the unnecessary effort, while the increase of the local production must be increased and find a local electronic supplier, because already demand is higher and the electronic sales may be unfortunately dropped due to the restriction. Let's go with Hasita.
Thank you, Manjita. In question number 5, B part, to improve sales volume, promoting e-commerce platforms via social media, so we can have order directly and high customer satisfaction can be guaranteed to enhance their trust. As statistics shows, the mattress demand is less than the production. So we can here use extra mattresses for marketing purpose, such as we can add free item on other product sales. We can update all offers as Google My Business for business offers posts. Also, mattress and plastic item can be sold at wholesale prices for local markets, such as other showrooms in another company. With it, we can increase the customer base as well as popularity of the brand as well as. Their electronic demand is so higher than other three from statics over 50%. Their demand is on the electronic items. So they can contract with local manufacturers to prevent demand gap in electronic items. In part C, to prepare an import ban, they can bid for a local product manufacturer and get product locally and share the market with both foreign and local product. Also, manufacturing inside the factory can be the best option for this problem. Figure out some or all electronics that can be manufactured in Negombo or Biagam production plants, because the Biagam production center already makes plastic items. So the electronics can be manufactured there or newly built factory, and electronic parts in electronic product can be both outsourced or add manufacturing section in those plants. Another solution is bring spare parts for the products and combine them to product with along local parts, or increase the repairing within the showroom, or if it is not started yet, add the repairing section to all.
Well, you have come to end of our presentation, and this is our team 1918 and the teammates. Thank you for lending your ears.